This is the elevator at the Dunboyne train station to modernise and fit lifts. Let's press this. Used to have the Midwestern. There we go. Just called this by pressing this button right there. But they just done the work and repair and it's coming down. Hurted. Someone got to place the doors. So as the original lid, but buttons got changed. Let's go up to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Someone's put the lighter, boys. Has 2 set buttons and 2 indicators.
Going up.
Here, lifts going up and up. There's a friend, Mr. Security Camera High.
Level.
Buttons we go out.
Doors opening.
Let's go to another lift. Which is another modernized and fitty lift. I think got new houses already be built in for new guests to live in. Which is new homes. It's right here. Security cam up there.
Please mind the doors.
That's 0 again.
Doors closing.
And has 2 set buttons and 2 indicators again.
Going down.
Here, it's going down. There's a friend, Mr. Security Camera High.
Level. Doors opening.
Here, 0. Back up to 1.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Still has the windows right beside the set buttons and the indicator.
Going up.
Here, it's going up like capacities 800 kilograms for 10 persons. Got replaced in 2024, but still has it from 2010.
Level.
14 years ago. Here we are,
Doors
back 1.
opening.
Back door into lift 1. The map area always goes down to 0, and there's a map area that always goes down to 0 to each platform. I think the trains come any soon, but still plenty of time. Security cam up there. Oh. There we go. Back to 0 and end the tour.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Here, it's going down now. Capacities 800 kilograms for 10 persons.
Level.
Here we are, back at 0.
Doors opening.
Now we can exit. And that's 1 done.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
There it goes. Doors quite so. That's it.